Welcome to Poisonous Plants 121, a story about poisonous plants told in 121 seconds. Mandragora officinarum, Mandrake, used to be called a Mandragora, and if you've watched the Deadly Nightshade video in this series, you'll know that means it is a plant that is capable of killing. But there are very few records of it causing serious harm, and almost no provable cases of death. It is a plant that likes a fairly warm climate, so I've never succeeded in producing any fruit. The picture I have of a good crop of fruit was taken in the Chelsea Physic Garden in London. It has so much folklore attached to it, more than any other plant, that whole books have been written about it. The best known folklore is that it screams when pulled up. The stories about it are nearly all based on the idea that it produces a forked root that looks like a human being. In truth, other plants produce forked roots, and as my plant shows, the mandrake doesn't always produce the expected root shape. Using the doctrine of signatures, it was assumed that looking like a man would make the root good for making a man manly, and it was sold as an aphrodisiac. As I said, it doesn't grow well in the UK, and the root of Bryony dioica, white bryony, was often substituted. The bryony is a very powerful laxative, so the result may not have been as expected. I can imagine a root seller trying to placate an irate customer by saying he only promised that it would keep him up all night. For a lot more information on poisonous plants, please visit www.thepoisongarden.co.uk.